So guess what happened to me? Oyster Chronicles took the bus into Putney to use my local library and then got whisked away with the crowd to watch the boat race. First time. The Oxford and Cambridge boat race is the largest event on the UK amateur sports calendar. It departs from Putney to Mortlake annually, and this event has been happening since 1845. Lots of people come out to watch, and in 1912 the boats sank. Not this year though, it was lovely weather, lots of eateries and artisans showing their wares, lots of beautiful things to see, and up-to-date announcement as the afternoon went on. My Oyster 60 Plus card gives me the opportunity to try new things, and the results were that the women won the Oxford race and the men won the Cambridge race. After the boat race, the distractions, the noise and the networking. It's great to be back to my place of peace, walking home quietly